Hello and welcome to the Buckeye Career Center online application tutorial. Our application window has officially opened, and I know with everything going on, there are probably going to be a lot more of you that want to take advantage of the online application process. That being said, you will be receiving one of our paper applications in the mail later next week. Also has our program listings on the back for you. So you will be receiving that, and that is absolutely an option to fill that out and mail that back into us. But like I said, with a lot more wanting to do the online application process, I thought I'd just go through the steps so that we can ensure that everyone gets their application in and that we have the correct information that we need. So we're going to start at buckeyecareercenter.org. You're going to click in the upper right-hand corner here to apply now. From there, you want to choose the online high school student online application. Click there. It will take you to the Buckeye OneView portal. From there, you are going to have to click over here and create a new account. I'm just going to go through and create a dummy account for us so that you can see that process as well. So we're just going to type in you would type in your first name, your last name, and this can either be the parents' information or the students. You would want to put in a valid email address here. Then we're just going to skip on down. This drop down here, you can just go ahead and leave that there. Nothing to do there. And then here we're going to go ahead and create a parent login. This is all information that you are going to create yourself. There's nothing here you'll need from us. Okay, once you get all that information entered in, you may want to write it down as well, because this is the same portal that you're going to use at the beginning of the school year for emergency medical forms and some of our other building agreements. So again, write that down, put that somewhere safe, and then go ahead and click register and begin. From there, it's going to take you to this page, but we don't need you to link a student to your account. So I'm just going to click back on the Buckeye logo there, take us back to the home page. From there, you'll need to choose Enroll New Students. And then we're going to again click Enroll a New Student. And then from here, it's asking for name, first name, last name. We're going to need a date of birth in here. And then choose that. And then enrolling grade. We are a junior senior school. So I'm going to go ahead and say I'm a new junior. From there, it's asking us what year are you enrolling. So again, that's going to be 21-22 school year. And then we're going to click Begin New Application. And that is going to take us here to the application. It's already put some of the information in here for us. And so you'll just go through, fill out all of this information it's asking for, all the personal information. And then parent guardian information. And then it comes here to program selection. So from there, you're going to choose your first program choice. I'll just pick one there. And then second program choice. So if business marketing would happen to be closed, have too many students in it before I get my application in, I may have to go with my second choice. So We'll just choose one there. And then again, same thing. What if cosmetology is closed? Well, now I have to choose something else. Choice 1 and 2 are already closed. So we'll just go through and pick another one there. So we want to make sure that that is very important, that is selected. And then you'll want to click Save and Submit to District. That's going to go ahead and get that off to us. And it'll get your name and save you a spot. And once that's submitted, that email will come to me. And if I have any questions or concerns, just make sure that you've entered a valid phone number and I will get a hold of you. Otherwise, from there, you'll hear from your guidance counselor or one of our guidance counselors later in the year. Hope everyone is staying safe, and thank you very much.